Good morning. I just wanted to quickly introduce a project I'm doing here in late winter. We're getting close to the end of January 2022, and I'm going to be putting together a compost pile. You're here in the greenhouse because it will stay at higher temperatures, which means it will compost quicker, and I won't have to fight the cold, freezing temperatures of outside. Because outside we have snow and ice in the middle of winter, and lows that could get as low as 20 below zero in our climate. Although we haven't seen that many, the lows that low for years here, but it certainly can happen. So I have my wire basket here, and it's set up and ready to go. I have soaked this tub with field peas, which are dried peas, and they're meant for livestock feed, but the chickens don't like them, so I'm using them to feed the microbes. In the blue tubs, we have browns, which are wood chips and old corn stalks and other old woody crops that came out of the garden at the end of last year. And we're going to get the greens from some hay that I have that the cows have been tromping into the ground, because it was cut when the plants were young and it was dried into nice hay. So we have some of that that's being wasted, and we're going to use some green plants from in here that I've been saving that we can use as the green component. So we're going to make a compost in here, and then in 6 to 8 weeks when this is done, we can move it to the root cellar and let it grow fungus, and at that time we will go ahead and be ready to plant this. But for the next 6 to 8 weeks, I have a 10-foot area here in bed 6 where I'm not going to be planting any crops. It just goes against the calendar plan that I have. So I'm going to utilize this space to make a really good compost right now. I just wanted to share what I'm doing so that it can help you have the very best garden that you have ever had.